We are just gonna drizzle it on.
Oh, like a cooking show. Oh, look at that. OMG. Hey you guys, so I got a special treat for you. If you are anything like me and you've been a noob chef all your life, super lazy, don't know how to cook, this is a special treat for you because Michael here is going to teach us how to make steak in the Instant Pot. So check it out. He's gonna break it down in super easy steps and we are going to follow along. And by the way, this is my first time ever learning it. So I'm learning along with you. So let's see what the heck to do. Donut. Donut, what you looking at? Hey, Chef Michael.
Hey, Charmaine.
Hey, what are we making today?
So we're making steak today. This is a New York strip steak from Vons.
Beautiful.
We're gonna be following a super simple recipe using the Instant Pot.
Whoa, it looks like it's from space.
I think it might be, actually.
Oh my god, how do you make sense of this though? How?
Well, I do have a computer science degree, so I think that helps, you know?
Oh, got it.
Also, all of the buttons say what they do. You'll notice they're labeled.
No, this is too complicated.
Okay.
Anyway, so Chef Michael, what's the first step to making this sirloin steak?
Well, really quick, I want to go over everything we have here. We have everything we need to make the steak. Obviously, we have the steak itself. We have...
How many pounds is this?
This is about 1 pound.
Okay.
It's a bone-in New York strip steak.
Okay. Bone-in New York strip. Where'd you get it from?
Vons.
Ooh, Vons. All right.
Yep. And then over here we have butter and all our spices. We've got pepper, salt, and granulated garlic. All right, so step one, we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna move this out of the way real quick.
Hey guys, did you know Kerrygold butter is the best butter?
It's pretty great.
We get ours from Costco, and it's pretty stinking good.
So there is
perfection.
Our 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna put it in this mug to microwave. Charmaine's favorite mug.
Yes. Strong women, strong world.
We're gonna microwave it for 30 seconds. All right, our butter is done.
Yum, ready to drink.
Yeah, that wasn't what I was planning. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is mix in a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic. You could also use a clove of fresh ground garlic.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
That's right. We just go for the pre-ground stuff here. And then we're just gonna mix this up. So the first thing we're gonna do with this is add it to the bottom of our Instant Pot. I'm gonna use about 1/2 of this mixture here.
Ooh, smells so good.
All right, and then you're going to set the Instant Pot to saute.
That's it? You just press it?
Just press saute.
It times it by itself? Oh, what does that mean?
That means it's starting. It's heating up now.
Okay.
So we're gonna let this heat up for just a little bit, just a few seconds, and then we're gonna put the steak in to sear.
I'm telling you guys, I literally have no idea how to use the Instant Pot. This is my first time actually watching Michael use the Instant Pot because I would hear him cooking in the kitchen, but I never observe this, so you and I both, we're learning together. Look at the bubbles. Ooh. Can I zoom in on that? Oh yeah. Ooh yeah.
So we can see it starting to brown just a little bit now, so we're gonna put the steak in.
Man, just get in there. Oh, whoa.
There we go. And
Oh
we are
my
going
gosh.
to leave it there for 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, this smells so good. I love that sound.
You also want to make sure you're doing this with plenty of ventilation because it's going to get a little smoky.
Okay, but good thing we got the windows open.
We got the windows, we got the fan.
Fan.
We're good.
Okay, We prepared. Ooh, look at that, the smoke. Ooh.
All right, the steak has been searing long enough, so I'm gonna take it out. Now, normally you would flip it right now, but I kind of forgot something important.
Oh no, you forgot something.
I might have forgotten something most of you will want to do, which is season the steak before cooking it.
Oh.
And
okay, stage fright, you know, it gets the
exactly,
most of us.
I'm so confused right now. All right, so get it out of here.
Ooh.
We can still season this side, so I'm gonna do that right now before we flip it over.
So you season it before you put it on the butter.
That's
usually.
Right. Yes.
And what is this? What are you putting now?
This is some salt. I'm just gonna pat it in there. And then...
We like to be fancy with a Himalayan pink salt.
That's right. You know, you can't be cooking with regular old white salt. That's...
Yeah. That's just, you know...
Not fancy.
Regular salt, you know.
Exactly. All right, and then pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back in.
All right, now we good. Oh, look at the other side though. Oh, it's looking nice.
When you're searing a steak, you don't want to move it around at all in the pan. Just let it sit for the 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And that's how you'll get a good sear.
Okay.
This is what I've been told anyway.
Well, I would have definitely moved it around because that's what I see people on television do, I think. So.
Tossing it around.
I definitely would have been moving it around.
Right, the other side should be done searing now. I'm gonna turn it over. If I can manage it. Ooh, that looks good.
Oh man, let me get a close-up on that. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is gorgeous. Can we just eat it now? It's ready, right?
Well, right now it's rare, so you could eat it now if you wanted a rare steak. We're gonna make ours medium, and if you wanna do that, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is put some hot water.
Oh! Hot water?
Then, well, it doesn't. It's hot now. I mean.
Oh, okay.
Just water.
But you put 1 cup of water?
1 cup of water in the bottom of the pan, and then you need to scrape off the burnt stuff on the bottom so that you don't get a heating error.
Heating error?
If the bottom of the pan gets too hot, the Instant Pot will stop cooking.
Oh, how do you know that?
The internet told me.
Oh my god.
And it also happened the first time I used the Instant Pot, so.
Oh. You learn from experience.
Exactly. Alright, I think that's good. Once you have that, you're gonna wanna put in your trivet.
Oh, that's a fancy term. Trivet.
Or whatever it's called.
Okay, make sure the little wings go up. That's how I remember things, I guess. Wings go up like a fly. Oh, look at that.
It goes in. And now we are going to pressure cook the steak for 5 minutes. Make sure you turn the valve to sealing.
This is venting there, and then sealing. Oh yeah, in the back.
Right.
Okay, and it should go to sealing.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so we are going to turn it on pressure cook. So press that. We want it to go on high, so press it again to turn it on high. We're not going to use the timer, I'm just going to let it turn on, and I'm going to use my phone timer to time 5 minutes. Alright, and starting 5 minutes here.
Oh, okay. Because this times it automatically?
Yeah, that'll stop it cooking automatically. But we really only want it to be in there for 5 minutes total. And the thing about the Instant Pot timer is it won't actually start until the pot is pressurized.
Oh.
And if you do it that way, if you wait for the pot to pressurize and then time for 5 minutes, you're gonna have more of a medium well to well done steak.
Oh, we don't want that.
No, we're gonna have a medium steak here.
So, oh, heck no.
So I'm gonna time the 5 minutes on my phone.
All right. Do we have to flip it over?
Nope, just leave it in there for 5 minutes and we will show you when we take it out.
All right. Hey guys, this is our kitty's favorite toy. Don't you love it?
They go crazy for this thing.
I don't know why. Here, watch. Maybe it's not their favorite anymore.
Bring it up the cat condo. She always jumps up there. Yep.
Yay! Well done. Yes, what time is it, Michael?
It's time to take the steak out.
Ah!
It's done now. All right, so we are going to turn it off.
Oh, okay, just press cancel. Cancel, okay.
Exactly, just press
I would have
cancel.
pressed pressure cook again.
That would have done nothing.
Okay. All right, now.
All right, so we want a medium steak. So what we're gonna do is instantly release the pressure. You gotta be a little bit careful with this.
Oh, what the hell? Oh my god.
All right.
I never knew it did that. So, you just put the venting really slowly?
Yeah, just try not to let the initial splashes get your hand. Maybe you can wear a glove or something if you want to.
Oh, because it's really hot.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's terrifying.
If you want a well done steak, you can actually let the pressure release naturally instead of doing it instantly like that.
How long does that take?
I think usually 5 to 10 minutes for the amount of water we have in there.
Like the knob would turn itself?
No, the knob stays the same, but you will see the pressure indicator here. It will drop down by itself.
Oh, okay.
But you can see it's dropped down now, so the pressure is released, so we can open the pot.
Okay, all right.
So, here we go.
It's like a spaceship thing, or I don't know, I think a Star Wars when you remove that lid, or just, I don't know, things with knobs and connecting things. I don't know, I just think of Star Wars or something.
It's R2-D2. Thank you, R2-D2.
Thank you. Oh.
Alright, so we're gonna bring it out.
Gosh, you know what's so great, Michael?
What's so great,
You know what's so great?
What's so great?
You don't have to flip this over. Oh my god, hold on. Hold on, holy moly. Oh, look at that.
So when you take it out, you're gonna want to immediately add the rest of the sauce that you have left over.
Oh yeah, don't forget that. Don't throw it away.
Nope, don't throw the rest of this away. We're just gonna drizzle it on.
Oh, like a cooking show. Oh, look at that. OMG.
Here we go. That's our steak. We're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna eat it.
All right. Oh my god. Oh man, thank you, Chef Michael, for your expertise. I am like totally not an Instant Pot cooker, so this was my first ever lesson, so thank you guys for joining us for our first ever Instant Pot YouTube class together, and we hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see any other Instant Pot recipes or any other recipes that you're interested in learning that is low carb and high fat, let me know by dropping a comment, and follow us by subscribing by clicking the link below. Hey, thank you, Chef Michael.
No problem.
Thank you.
Also, by the way, I wanted to say, you can find the recipe for this steak on recipevibes.com. That's where I found it. I just found it online. It's just called Instant Pot Steak. I think we'll put a link in the description.
Yes, we will put a link in the show notes. Check out the caption for the full recipe. All right, thank you guys. See you next time.
Bye.